Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is m squared minus m cubed is equal to 3 over 64 to find the values of m. In next step, we take this and this to other side, so it will be this to this side is positive m cubed and minus this m squared and plus 3 over 64. And in here 3 over 64, we can write this as 4 over 64 minus 1 over 64. Okay, this is also a 3 over 64. And in here 4 over 64, we can simplify this by 4 is 1 and this by 4 is 16, so it will be 1 over 16 minus this 1 over 64. So we can write this as in this form, so it will be plus 1 over 16 minus 1 over 64 is equal to 0, right? In the next step, we take this and this together, okay, and this together. So we write m cubed minus 1 over 64. So 1 over 64 is 1 over 4 to the power of 3, right? Because 4 to the power of 3 is 64 and 1 to the power of 3 is 1. So we can write this as 1 over 4 to the power of 3. And plus 1 over 16, and 1 over 16 is 1 over 4 to the power of 2, right? Because 4 to the power of 2 is 16 and 1 to the power of 2 is 1. And minus this m squared, okay, is equal to 0. And in the next step, this and this are in the form of a cubed minus b cubed, and this is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab and plus b squared, right? And these two parts are in the form of a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b, right? So we write this in this form and this in this form, so it will be a minus b. A in here is m and b is 1 over 4. So we write a minus b as m minus 1 over 4 times a cubed is a squared is m squared plus ab is m times 1 over 4 and m times 1 over 4 is m over 4, right? And plus b squared. B squared in here is 1 over 4 squared and 1 over 4 squared is 1 over 16, okay? And plus here in this form, a is 1 over 4 and m is in here is b, okay? So a minus b is 1 over 4 minus m and 1 over 4 plus m, okay? And in here we have m and this is equal to 0. And in here we have m minus 1 over 4, okay? But in here we have 1 over 4 minus m. So we want to make this 1 over 4 minus m look like this, m minus 1 over 4, right? So in here we can factor negative 1. So it will be, in here we have m minus 1 over 4. We write this times m squared plus m over 4 plus 1 over 16. And if we factor negative 1 in here, it will be negative 1 or negative 1 over, m minus 1 over 4, right? In here we have 1 over 4 minus m, and if we factor negative 1, it will be positive m In here we have negative m, and it will be positive m minus 1 over 4, okay? Times this 1 over 4 plus m is equal to 0. So in here, m minus 1 over 4 is common, so we factor m minus 1 over 4, right? And in here we have this, it will be m square plus m over 4 plus 1 over 16. And in here we have this, right? Negative this, it will be negative 1 over 4 and minus m is equal to 0. And the next step, it will be m minus 1 over 4 times m square, m over 4 minus m, we can write this m as, 5m over 5, right? 5m over 5. And m over 4 minus 5m, sorry, we can write this as 4m over 4, right? So m over 4 minus 4m over 4, it will be 3m over 4. And also in here, we can write this negative 1 over 4 like 4 over 16, right? This is 1 over 4. And 1 over 16 minus 4 over 16 is negative 3 over 16 is equal to 0. So in here, this part times this part is equal to 0. So this part is equal to 0 and this part can equal to 0. So we write m minus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. And in here, m is equal to 1 over 4, right? This is our first answer. And this equal to 0. So we write m square minus 3m over 4 minus 3 over 16 is equal to 0. In the next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by 16. So we multiply by 16. In here, this time 16, it will be 16m square minus, this will cancel this by 4, and 4 times 3 is 12m, and this will cancel this, it will be negative 3 is equal to 0. And to find the values of m, we can use a quadratic formula, which is m is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from here, a is coefficient of m square is 16, and b is coefficient of m is negative 12, and c is constant is negative 3. And it will be in here, m is equal to negative b. Negative 12 is positive 12, plus or minus square root of b square. B square is 12 square or 144 minus 4 times a is 16, and times c is negative 3 over 2a. 2 times a is 32. And in next step, m is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144. 4 times 16 is 64, and 64 times 3 is 192. And this is a negative 3 and negative, and this negative is positive, so it will be positive 192 over 32. right? And in next step, m is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 plus 192 is 336. Okay, 336 over 32. And next step, it will be m is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 336. We can write this as 16 times 21 over 32. And it will be the square root of 16 is 4. So we can write this 12 plus or minus 4 the square root of 21 over 32. And from here, m is equal to 12 plus 4 the square root of 21 over 32, and m is equal to 12 minus 4 square root of 21 over 32. And we can simplify this and this and this by 4, so it will be this by 4 is 3, this by 4 is 1, and this by 4 is 8, so it will be 3 plus square root of 21 over 8. And also we can simplify this, and it will be 3 minus square root of 21 over 8. So in here we have two values for m, this and this, and also in here m is equal to 1 over 4. So our final answer for m is equal to 1 over 4, and m is equal to 3 plus square root of 21 over 8, and m is equal to 3 minus square root of 21 over 8. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.